In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a widget to a WordPress page. We're going to walk through the process inside WordPress and use the block editor to place a widget style element onto a page. This is a simple way to make your page more useful and interactive, especially if you want to add something like a search bar or a list of your latest posts. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control area where you manage your site's content, design, and settings. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to access the Pages section and choose where you want your widget to appear. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages. This will open the full list of pages currently on your website. If your site has several pages, take a moment to identify the one you want to update. It's always a good idea to be sure you're editing the correct page before making any changes. Next, select the page you want to work on. You can simply find it in the list and open it from there. After that, click on Edit to enter the page editor. This is where you'll be able to add and arrange content using WordPress blocks. Once you're inside the editor, click on Add Blocks. This opens the block inserter, which lets you insert different types of content into the page. In WordPress, many features that function like widgets are now added as blocks, so this is the place where you'll find them. Now choose a widget-like block, such as Search or Latest Posts. The search block is useful if you want visitors to quickly find content on your site, while the latest post block is great for showing your newest articles directly on a page. Depending on your theme and WordPress setup, you may also see other useful blocks that work in a similar way. After inserting the block, you can usually click on it to adjust its settings. For example, you may be able to change how it looks, how much content it displays, or where it aligns on the page. This helps you match the widget to the style and purpose of the page you're editing. That's all it takes to add a widget to a WordPress page. Just open WordPress, go to Pages, choose your page, click Edit, use Add Blocks, and insert the widget style block you want. If you're making visual changes, it's a smart idea to preview the page afterward so you can confirm everything looks right before finishing up. And that's it for this tutorial.